Expand design, a roomy cabin, dual-tone interiors, 15 smart utility spaces, and a large boot space, all there to expand your life. Welcome to Easy Space.
A group of Russian scientists have discovered possible evidence that life on Earth is of extraterrestrial origin. Scientists came to this conclusion following tests that were carried out on algae-like particles of meteorites that were found on the exterior of the International Space Station.
Two Russian scientists attached to the Russian side of the International Space Station found the plankton last week. Laboratory tests have revealed that the samples of plankton reveal that life on Earth pre-existed in outer space. The scientists say the samples of diatoms cannot be found on Earth and added the tests are currently ongoing in order to verify this information, adding that this is the first such instance in which diatoms were found 200 kilometers from the Earth. Professor Milton Wainwright, microbiologist at Sheffield University, said that his team were able to discover diatoms 17 kilometers from Earth on an earlier occasion. He points out that there is no possible way for these waterborne organisms to get into space from Earth. Nagar says that it is yet to ascertain the origin of these microorganisms. Scientist Lane Roche-Hield remarked that these organisms would have got stagnated when attaching a new module to the Russian side of the ISS. Possible evidence of the extraterrestrial origins of life on Earth has come to light on previous occasions too. Professor Chandra Wickramasinghe, the noted UK-based Sri Lankan astrobiologist, is among the foremost proponents of this theory. He noted that the red rains experienced in parts of Sri Lanka and diatoms found in meteorite fragments in Polonnaruwa have bolstered the evidence in favour of the extraterrestrial origins theory.
These diatoms are very similar to the diatoms that were discovered in the Sri Lankan Polonnaruwa meteorite in 2011. We've looked at this very carefully, and there's no way in which those meteorites could have been anything other than falling from the skies. And this, that life originated in space. Life is still coming to our planet from space, and the whole of evolution, the whole of our ancestry essentially is driven by information that comes from space. We are in effect all aliens.
We reported findings of algae in the Polonnaruwa meteorite. That's in 2003, last year January. So there was a counter argument for that finding was that life organisms cannot exist in the outer space without oxygen, water, and under the extreme conditions. But now this week the Russian scientists in the ISS, International Space Station, found there is plankton organisms growing outside their space shuttle. It confirms what we found last year in the Polonnaruwa meteorite and in the red rain.
We do not oppose Professor Chandra Wickramasinghe's panspermia notion, but it is not wise to draw parallels between the finding of the current microorganisms with the ones found in Aralagangvilla. We have discovered from the geological point of view that this soil originated in the same place it was found. We have found out that the microorganisms originated from the soil located in the same place.